My name is Katie Castle, and I work as the Development Manager and Grant Writer for Infant Crisis Services. Infant Crisis Services is a food formula and diaper bank for babies and toddlers located in central Oklahoma, serving babies in 27 counties. We provide a week's worth of food formula and diapers 4 times a year for the first 4 years of a child's life. Tabor Cares means to Infant Crisis Services that we have a partner who is ready to champion our mission in Oklahoma. They are able to help us financially, but also they're in our building regularly, helping pack diapers and food packs and even helping with event services and things like that. So having a partner like Tabor Cares is really valuable to a nonprofit like ours because it requires a lot of manpower to do what we do, and Tabor Cares is just that. Today's donation will help us purchase food formula and diapers for babies and toddlers in 27 Oklahoma counties. Currently, 1 in 5 babies is hungry in Oklahoma, and so we will be able to directly impact that current need.